Hello, welcome again to my channel, and today we're just going to create a basic desk organizer. And this organizer you can use for your pens, your pencils, your USB drives, or any small thing that's on your desk. So we're going to make it quite simple and attractive. So let's get started. So we're going to switch to top view and go to create, sketch, and we're going to get started. So to get a nice organizer, we're gonna use polygon shapes. So first, we want basically the center of our polygon shape and basically the center of our organizer, and this will determine the size. So we go to circle, and let's say we make this around 130. You can adjust the size based on how big your desk is, and you can go straight from there. But let's see how this turns out. So we're going to go to polygons, and we're going to use this part of the circle as the center of our polygon. And let's make the polygon around 30. 30 seems like a good number. Alright, so we want the walls of the polygon to be roughly, okay, so this polygon is not straight, so we want to make sure that it's lined up properly. Alright, so use that, and let's try this, see if we can get it to line up properly. Okay, so that's perfect. Okay, and then we want to make out the walls at least 2 millimeters. So we select the polygon, we offset 2 millimeters, and we want to have the polygon as a pattern. So we're going to make something similar to a snowflake shape. So to do that, we go to create and go to circular pattern. That's between that we have our circle here that we're going to use as our guideline for the pattern. Select that. And being that we're going to select the outer wall of the polygon because that's the thickness, and you'll see why. And then select the center point, which is the center of the circle. And then we'll play around with how much we need. Okay, that seems just about right. So now that we have our nice little snowflake pattern, we're gonna offset these polygons to of wall thickness. Not quite sure. Can I do them all at once? We'll try that. If not, we'll do them individually. Okay, then we offset. So no, so let's do them individually. So we're gonna offset to 2. So -2. So double click, press O on your keyboard to -2. Double click, O on the keyboard, set to 2. Click O. 2. Okay, so there we have our nice shape where everything is going to be stored. And that will be it for the sketch, guys. Something pretty simple. So now we have to determine the depth of each of the sections which you're going to store your items in. But first, we need to extrude the base. So we're going to use 2mm for the base thickness. And that should be it. Look, just like a snowflake. So we're going to extrude 2. And if you notice, whenever American Fusion, you first extrude, always hide your sketch. Alright, so the front part section here, let's make that 40mm. So your front, you're gonna make that 40. So extract to 40mm. And let's make this part around 60. Better yet, let's give a nice little shift in design. So make this section 60. Join. And let's make this section 75 should be good. Let's make this section around, let's say 90. Join. And this section we can make it around 110. Join. And this may look like, nothing much, but when you turn it on the side, there you go, you have your organizer for your desk. So one thing we can do next, you can get rid of sharp edges. So you click on the bottom and you go to chamfer, and let's make the chamfer at least 1. That should be really good. And you can do for each of these. So you don't only, give it a nice, good aesthetic. So you can either use chamfer or roll. Normally, I like to use roll for the top. Give it a nice roll look. And there you have it. Nice and simple. That's an organizer. So what we need to do next is we're gonna export this. Let's call it desk. Desk organizer. And we're gonna save it to file to review like we always do. Gonna export, and you can see where it's export. So we're gonna open up Bamboo Studio. And we are going to import view or desk organizer. And we're gonna rotate it 90 degrees. Make sure that it's nice and center. And yeah, I think I will do it in this purple color. Make sure that nothing is on the print bed. And there we go. Now, this is my preference, but away from the smooth edge, I'm gonna, add a little texture. So normally I'll go to support, and I go to fuzzy, the contour, and let's make this one. Let's slice it and see how it look. Okay, nice little look a rugged look at the side, and we're gonna send this up to print, and stay tuned, and then we'll fast track 5 hours for you to see the finished product. So let's send it over. Okay, let's look at the result of our desk organizer, and let's put in our desk and let's see how it looks. Okay, so here it is part of my desk. So I put the desk organizer right there. Seems pretty nice. So what can I put in this? I can use my remote there. Pens, USB drives. And there you go. Nice desk organizer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.